Hare Krishna, the secret mantra, the liberation mantra of Kali Yuga, we will see in this video. It is mentioned in Kalisantarana Upanishad from Krishna Yajurveda. The shloka is Dwaparante Nardo Brahmanam Jagamakatam Bhagavangam Paryatan Kalim Samtarayem Iti Sahovacha Brahmasadu Prishtosmi सर्वश्रुति रहस्यम गोप्यम तत्श्रुणुयेन कलि संसारम तरिष्यसि भगवत आदि पुरुषस्य नारायणस्य नामोच्चारण मात्रेण निर्धूत कलिर्भवति. So at the end of Dwapara Yuga, that is Dwapara Ante means at the end of Dwapara Yuga, Narada went to Brahma and he is asking, I am roaming over the earth. How do I overcome the effects of Kali Yuga? So Brahma is replying, listen to it. Vedas keep this secret and hidden. So he is saying only through the Namocharana Matrena Adi Purushasya, that is the first Purusha, the first one who existed is Narayana, that is Bhagavat Adi Purushasya Narayanasya Namocharana Matrana. Ucharana means uttering or chanting. Nama means name, Namocharana. Uttering the names of Narayana alone, Matrena, only that. Nirdhuta Kalir Bhavati. That only Bhavatiti. Only that will reduce the evil effects of the Kali Yuga. This is what Brahma is replying to him. Further we will see how many times totally we need to chant to get the liberation, and we will be sure about our liberation. Is it possible to be sure about our liberation in this lifetime itself? Yes, if you have faith. So let's see. You need to watch till the end of the video so that we will come to know the secret. Then Narada is asking, Narada Puna Papracha Tannama Kimiti Sahovacha Hiranyagarbha. That is Hiranyagarbha, Lord Brahma, because he is born from the navel of Garbhodakshai Vishnu. Now Brahma is replying, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So he is saying this 16 names this is the name you need to chant. And he is further saying, Iti Shodashakam Namnam Kalikalmasha Nashanam Nata Parataropaya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate. That is, Iti Shodashakam, these 16 names, Namnam, Iti Shodashakam Namnam, this 16 names will destroy the evil effects of Kali Yuga. Kali Kalmasha, that is, the evil effects of Kali, Nashanam, it will get destroyed. Nata Parataropaya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate, that is Upaya. Parataropaya, there is no other means or Upay than this, than chanting this Mahamantra. And now the question is whether Hare Rama will come first or Hare Krishna will come first. This video is not for that. Because here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us to solve this confusion that let's chant like this. For general public he has given like this: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we will chant in that order now, as it's already mentioned by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now let's go to the next. Iti Shodasha Kalavritasya Jivasya Avarana Vinashanam Tat Prakashate Param Brahma Megapaye Ravi Rashmi Mandali Veti. So these 16 names, that is Iti Shodasha Kalavritasya. These 16 names, Kalavritasya means 16 envelopments. 16, we are born with this Jivatma, that is we are having Avarana, envelopments. What are those 16 envelopments? We will see. So this 16 names will destroy the 16 envelopments of Jivatma. And like the sun, once the sun shines, how the clouds get dispersed. Like that, Parabrahman alone will shine in you when you are chanting this. That is Ravi Rashmi Mandali Veti. If you see in this last line, Prakasham means what? Shining. Tata Prakashate Param Brahma. Only the Parabrahma will shine, or it will radiate. Mega Pege. Mega means cloud. Ravi Rashmi Mandali Veti. That is, Ravi means sun. So, once the sun comes, how the clouds get dispersed. Like that, your 16 envelopments of Jivatma will get dispersed. 16 envelopments of this Jivatma. That is Prana, life force, Shraddha, faith, Kam, ether, Vayu, air, Jyoti, fire or light, Apa, water, Prithvi, earth, Indriyam, sense organs, Sarvendriyani, Mana, mind, Annam, Annamaya Kosha, Mana, Manomaya Kosha, Annam, that is, Annam means our body is, we are surviving because of the food. So that is Annamaya Kosha, Annam. Then Viryam, energy, Tapa, meditation, Mantra, that is sonic power, Karma, actions and reactions, and Loka, the realms of existence, that is the world, and Nama, that is we all have the name. We have a individual, we are having name. This once you are born, you will have the name, that is Nama. So these are the 16 things. So these 16 things will get destroyed. You may think, wow, it will get destroyed. Yes, only if this gets destroyed, we can see the Parabrahma. So then next he is proceeding. These 16 things are in detail mentioned in Prashna Upanishad. This is what is mentioned here. Now, Punar Narada Papracha Bhagavan Koshya Vidhiriti. That is, again Narada is asking Vidhiriti. What are the regulations? Vidhi. Punar Narada. Punar means again. Tam Hovacha Nasya Vidhiriti. Sarvada Shuchir Ashuchirva Patan Brahmana Salokatam Samipatam Sarupatam Sayujyameti. Brahma is saying there are no regulations. There are no regulations, no vidhi. While chanting this, you don't need to follow any rules. Whoever in a pure or impure state can chant, that is Shuchi Ashuchirva. They can chant in any state, and whoever is chanting will get this 4 types of liberation, that is Salokatam. Salokatam, Samipatam, Sarupatam. Sarupa means same, in the same, like a lord, you will get the same type of body. And Samipya means proximity. You will be in proximity with the Lord. Salokya means you will attain the same world. And then Sayuja is absorption into Brahman, that is Brahmajyoti. These 4 types of liberation you will get. And Yadasya Shodashakasya Sardha Trikotir Japati Tada Brahmahatyam Tarati. That is, whoever is chanting this, now this is the secret. How many times we need to chant in total? This Jivatma should chant Trikotir Sardha Trikotir Japati. Japati means when you chant Japa. Trikotir, that is 35 million times. Shakasya Sardha Trikotir Japati. When you chant, underline this line. Trikotir Japati. 35 million times we need to chant. When you chant, Brahmahatyam Tarati. These are all who is saying? Brahma is saying. That is, when you kill a Brahmana, it is a greatest sin. And you will even be relieved from that sin. Tarati Veerahatyam. That is, you have murdered a greatest hero. That is like Ravan is the greatest hero. Even that if you kill any greatest hero, then you will get a dosh called Virahati dosh. That is called so even that will be relieved. Tarati, you will get rid of it. Swarnasteyat Bhuto Bhavati, that is, you will even get relieved from the theft of gold. That is, when you have stolen gold, that is another Swarna means gold. Swarnasteyat Bhuto Bhavati, you will even be relieved from the theft of gold. Vrishali Gamanat Puto Bhavati, that is sexual misconduct, even you will be relieved from that sin. Sarvadharma Parityaga Papat, Sarvadharma Parityaga Papat Sadhya Shuchitam Apnuyat, that is you have fallen so low that Sarvadharma, all the dharmas, whatever dharmas you are having, all the dharmas you have left, even then you will be escaped from that all sins. And Sadhyo Muchyate iti Upanishad, that is, see, 2 times he is saying Sadhyo Muchyate iti Upanishad. So he becomes immediately liberated. He is stressing, he becomes immediately liberated. This is the Upanishad, iti Upanishad. This is the Upanishad. This is what Brahma is replying to Narada. So we will see what Narada asked, what are the regulations, and Brahma told no regulations, and you will get 4 types of liberation. And further, it's still not over. And here, if you see in this table, I have mentioned how many times you have to chant. That is, suppose you are chanting this mantra, started chanting this mantra at the age of 30. So let's assume you are chanting 20 times a day. So and in a month you will reach 600. Here I have mentioned how to reach this 35 million times of chanting before our death. So I am okay. On 1 month you will see, you will be chanting 600. In 1 year you will be chanting 7,200 rounds. 1 round is 108. So if you are alive till you are 76 years, that is another 46 years if you are alive, you will be doing how many rounds? 3,31,200 rounds. And so let's see how many number of times he is not saying 35 million rounds. He is saying 35 million times you need to chant. So total number of times in 1 day, if you are chanting, if you are doing 20 rounds, 20 multiplied by 108, 2,160 a day. A month, 600 rounds multiplied by 108, 64,800. And in a year you will be doing 7,200 rounds multiplied by 108, 7,77,600. And in 46 years, even if you start at the age of 30, you can reach your target by your 76th birthday. How much you are doing? Daily if you do 20 rounds also, you are reaching 35 million times. That is, in 46 years, you are doing 3,31,200 multiplied by 108. So your target is reached. So you will get any type of that liberation, 4 types of liberation. So Brahma has given. So we can get motivated by this. So I hope you will double the rounds by seeing this formula. So what is our target? That you can do even more and donate the remaining rounds to your parents, your children, or to the people who are suffering, to our desh, our country, India. For India's development also we can do 1 round. So we can, extra rounds we can do. 20 rounds for us, extra rounds for our country, for our parents, for our children. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please forward this to your friends. Let them do, if they have not started doing rounds, at least by seeing this video, I hope they will do. So I request each and every one of you to forward this. We are forwarding many things. We are forwarding jokes, we are forwarding political news, we are forwarding so many things. So why don't we forward this and spread this Harinama? Let them chant, because Brahma has given the guarantee. Narada has asked this on behalf of us, so that we all will chant. And please forward this, subscribe this, so that you will get me video whenever I upload. Hare Krishna. Thank you for listening.